Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. And today we're going to set up the Aero garden. Now my middle son got me this last summer, but I didn't set it up until winter because I figured in summer I had the lettuce and stuff growing in the greenhouse and didn't mind walking out there with the good weather. But with the bad weather, I really don't want to go out the greenhouse when it's really cold. And sometimes the lettuce is actually froze out there. So he got me this Aero garden, and we're going to set it up today and see how easy it is to set up, yes or no, and whether we like it or not. So let's look at it. Alright, the Aero garden is an in-home garden system. The plant grows in the water, no soil, no mess. Energy efficient LED grow lights, soil-free, non-GMO pre-seeded pods, automatic turns lights on and off, reminds you when to add the water, and reminds you when to add the plant food. So, it comes with, move you over here. It comes with the grow lights, a power cord, the covers for the domes, the seed pods, and the food. So let's set this up and see how it goes. Also inside the lid, there's a customer support number, and there's also a membership sign up website. So let's get this thing going. First thing, gotta make sure that the bow is securely seated onto this base. See how it pulls up? So you gotta set that securely. Next thing, in the back, there is a pump cord right here. But you have to make sure that that's plugged in completely. And then you put in your power cord. After you got that done, you remove this section right here. And inside there's a little raised portion that says fill to this level. So we're going to get some water and fill that up to that level. It doesn't tell you how many ounces to put in, so we're just going to measure this out and see what it takes. Okay, it took 5 of the 16.9 ounce bottles to fill this. So it's about a little over 5 pints of water. Okay? Now you take the seed pods, which are like this, and put them into the hose, and then you place the covers over these for right now. You also need to shake up your plant food and add it to this area also, following the directions on the bottle. And for 6 pods, it says I need 2 capfuls of this. Which means you don't have to get anything out to measure. You just add 2 capfuls. And it says you should do this every 2 weeks. replace the top on here. So we've got all the seeds in here. Now this comes with the pre-seeds. This one came with black-seeded Simpson, Deer Tongue, Paris Island, Marble of Four Seasons, Red Cells, and Rogue of Hyper. I never heard of that one before. Anyway, those are the lettuces that are in this. Now, the light height, it should be about 4 to 6 inches above the plants. And this is adjustable, so you can bring it down and raise it up as you need it. Like any good gardener, you know how big your fingers are. So right there is my 4 inches, 4 to 5 inches. All right. Now we need to plug it in. And like I said, it comes with instructions. It comes with a little recipe booklet. So next thing you have to do is plug it in. And when you plug it in, the green light will come on. You press that green light, and that brings up the menu. And the menu will say, first of all, it'll ask you to set the time. So you can set the time on here to whatever time it is during the day. And then you hit the green light again, and that brings up the next menu item, which set up the garden, new start. And it gives you a list of different types of gardens, like herb, salad, vegetable, flowers. So wherever it is, you hit that, and this is salad, and that regulates how often your light comes on and off. Now this will also tell you when to add plant food, and it'll also tell you when to add water. So it's very simple to set up. And now we're just going to see how it does. And hopefully we'll have some fresh green salads to eat. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Dream big and follow that dream. And God bless. Bye.